what are the causes of precocious puberty which parents need to know? What is the most common reason you find in your practice?
The most common cause that I find in practice is again idiopathic, like where there's no cause in a girl.
Reason for it. Hmm.
Yeah, no reason for it. But the other causes that we need to know is there can be central causes, like some problem with the brain, like a brain
Brain.
tumor is one thing that has to be, very seriously thought about and needs to be ruled out.
Hmm.
And then there can be children who have been exposed to radiation, radiotherapy, or chemotherapy, and the
Hmm.
children who've had previous surgeries.
Hmm.
Those are the children who are at higher risk. Apart
Hmm.
from this, there's a genetic condition called congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Such children can
Okay.
also develop
Hmm.
central precocious puberty.
Hmm.
And there are other peripheral causes like central. We are talking about this because there are signals from the brain, that is LH and FSH, that come that are released, and then they act on the ovaries in the girls or the testes in the boys, and then the final hormones are produced. Okay.
These are reproductive
These are
हार्मोन अगर हम
reproductive hormones
हम
and the
बोले
pituitary
जनरल
hormones.
लैंग्वेज
General,
में तो हाँ
yeah,
these are reproductive हार्मोन जो हेल्प करते हैं बॉडी को बेसिकली प्रिकॉशियस प्यूबर्टी फ्रॉम चाइल्ड टू डेवलप इन adolescence or adult right.
yeah. So
Hmm.
there can be either problem with the brain or there can be problem with these organs which are producing. So the other causes, the peripheral causes could be, there can be an adrenal tumor sometimes, there can be an ovarian tumor, there can be smaller cysts that are producing some hormones. But that is what, like even though in 90% of the girls, there is no particular cause found, there are cases like 10% of the children can have these more serious underlying conditions, and hence the need for a thorough evaluation and thorough investigations before we just say that okay, this is without a cause, and we can't just go ahead and treat unless we have ruled out the serious things.
ओके सो लेट्स से पेरेंट को पता चला कि हाँ थोड़ा मतलब मदर ने नोटिस किया कि ब्रेस्ट फैट आ रहा है या फिर प्यूबिक हेयर आ रहे हैं तो व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप हाउ कैन वी डायग्नोज हाउ कैन वी so certain कि हाँ this is the precocious puberty apart from the physical and emotional changes and physical examination.
Yeah, if at all you feel that your child is developing these signs, it would be really better if you can consult with the pediatric endocrinologist if
Of
one is
course.
available in your place. And if not, at least visit like a senior pediatrician who is in your city, and then get the child examined thoroughly, because what when the parents feel it, it might be just a suspicion. Sometimes we might just feel it because we are looking at these videos and we are like anxious. And once the pediatrician or the endocrinologist confirms that it is actually a breast bud, then they'll probably look at the child's height and how the child is growing, get an X-ray done to look at the bone age, and some blood investigations along with a scan. Ultrasound scan might also be needed to further find out the cause.
Right. In last episode, actually, we have discussed about the obesity, and
Yeah.
obesity is causing the precocious puberty. So, if you can help us understand in detail that how obesity is causing the precocious puberty.
Obesity will lead to like overnutrition. The child keeps growing. When there is obesity, the child is not just putting on weight, the child is also growing taller and taller. And when the child is tall, there's advancement in the bone age. The epiphyseal fusion is also occurring earlier, and that in turn will trigger the pituitary, our brain, to release these signals, LH and FSH, intermittently, which will lead to the earlier development of these changes, earlier puberty.